We all know that web browser is probably the most important tool you have installed on your PC. Hence, today we will present a list of 10 best browsers that you should try in 2018, considering the features they offer. The browser is probably the most important tool you have installed on your PC. In this segment, there are several options, but the market is essentially dominated by Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Today we will show you a list of 10 web browsers that you should try in 2018, considering the features they offer. 1. Opera Neon. It's called Opera Neon and achievement of immediate users only with its elegance and modernity. With this browser, the tabs will no longer exist, and a set of icons will be available. The search is also done directly from the browser environment. 2. Vivaldi. Named after Vivaldi, this browser was created by former CEO and co-founder of Opera Software John von Tetzchner, who left the Opera in 2011, and has several very exciting features allied to the latest technology. The most recent version of this browser brings an interesting feature is a possibility to be integrated with the system Philips Hue smart lights, thus being the first browser to have this support. In this way, the browser color scheme can follow the one defined in the Philips system. 3. MXNetero. The MXNetero, the Maxton, is one of the fastest internet browsers. It is not only the fastest to navigate and present web pages, but it is also the fastest to be launched and to be used. 4. Tor browser. Navigating anonymously is not an easy task, especially since everything we do gets registered. However, it is possible to protect our online privacy through additional tools that help us hide our identity. For those who want to surf the internet without a trace, the Tor browser is undoubtedly the best solution. 5. Torch. Torch is one of the navigators more popular than it has on the internet, and that one stands out by completed of its benefits. This browser comes with an integrated player, Media Grabber, allows you to download videos and audio with a simple click, games, torrent manager, and a touch facelift that allows, for example, to change the design of Facebook,